Hello students. In previous online session already we are completing with exercise 1A. Now let's start with the next topic, that is comparing numbers. Comparing numbers means simply we have to decide which number is smaller and which number is greater among two numbers. Okay. So see here, open your textbook page number 9 of your math textbook and see the point, that is comparing numbers. There are three steps are given which we have to use to compare the numbers. I am reading this step, you see in your textbook. So first step is count the number of digits in each number. If the given numbers have equal number of digits, then the number with more digits is greater than the number with less digits. If the numbers have equal number of digits, then proceed to step 2. So what is step 2? In step 1, you have to count the number of digits. Number of digits means if equal digits are there, what you have to do? If unequal digits are there, what you have to do? Already it is given. So follow it properly. See step 2. We'll take example, that time you understood better. So don't worry about that. Now step 2, that is compare the digits at the leftmost place in both the numbers. The numbers with the greater digit is greater of the two. And if the leftmost digits are equal, then compare the second digits from the left and go to the step 3. Okay. So what is step 3 here? If the second digit from the left are unequal, then the number with the greater digit is greater of the 2. Okay. If the second digit from the left in both the numbers are equal, then compare the third digits from the left and continue the above process. Above process means which process? That is, you have to write the second digit from the left in both the numbers are equal. Then compare the third digits from the left and continue the above process, means that only. Till you come across unequal digits at the corresponding places. The number with the bigger digit at the corresponding place is greater of the 2. So don't worry, if these steps are hard, then simply you know that how to compare the two numbers as per the place values. First count the number of digits of each number. We'll take example, that time you understood better. Okay. So first count the, if number of digits are same, then as per the place value you decide which number is smaller and which number is greater. And all of you know the place values of each number, we have taken already in previous class. So see here, the next point is making numbers. Making numbers means you know that for making the numbers we are using the digits. In first session only I explained that 0 to 9 digits means that 10 digits we are using, but the digits are start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 10 digits we are using for making the numbers. Okay. So see here, now exercise. So let's start with the exercise directly, then you understood better. So exercise 1B. See exercise 1B. So open your textbook, page number 12, exercise 1B, question number 1. Identify the smallest and greatest number. You have to identify the smallest and the greatest. Smallest and the greatest number. So see here, first question. So which numbers are there? We'll write that numbers first. What is the question here? 7, 8, 2, 5. The next one is 7, 8, 7, 5. Next one 7, 8, 5, 9. And the last one 7, 8, 0, 9, 9. Okay. So among all these four numbers, you have to decide which is smaller and which is bigger or greatest. So 7,825, 7,875, 7,859, and all these numbers are 4-digit numbers, and this last number is of how many digit numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit number. So this number is greater. So directly write down 5-digit number is greater than 4-digit number. Now we have to decide from all these three numbers which is the smallest number. So 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8. Here both two digits are same in all the numbers. So forget about that digits. Now see the last one. Here 25, here 75 and here 59. So among all these, which number is greater here? We have to find the smallest number. So which number is smallest? 25, 75 or 59? So obviously you get 25 is the smallest among all three. Okay. So the smallest number is this one, that is 7825. Means instead of following this step only we are writing, but you can use this simple method also. So how to find the smallest and how to find the greatest number among the numbers. So I hope all of you understood question number 1. So question number 1, second also you have to do the same. So you solve that question number 1, second one in classwork notebook. Okay. See question number 2. It is same as a question number 1 of page number 12. Fill in the blanks of the following boxes with the correct symbol less than or greater than. Here also you have to decide which number is smaller and which number is greater, and you have to use the symbol of less than or greater than. Okay, so question number 2 also you have to solve in classwork. See third and fourth question. Arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. All of you know that from first standard we are studying that ascending and descending order. So what is meant by ascending order? Yes. So ascending order means the numbers we have to arrange to smaller to big. Okay. Ascending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers in small to big, or and here descending order means that is big to small, in short. Okay. And if you know that how to compare the number, which number is smaller, which number is bigger, that you understood, then you can easily write the ascending and descending order of the question. Okay. So see question number 3 and question number 4 you have to solve in classwork only, that is ascending order and descending order. So ascending order means you have to write big, small to big, and descending order you have to write as a big to small. So I think no difficulty in question number 3 and 4, that you have to write in classwork. Okay. So today you complete only exercise 1B, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 question in classwork notebook. Now see the question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here fifth question is write the smallest 3-digit number with the unique digit. Only 5, 6 and 7 question. Means think about this question, try to solve it. If you not understood, otherwise I will explain these 3 questions in next online session. Okay. So only you have to complete question exercise 1B, question number 4 up to question number 4. Thank you.